In the dynamic landscape of modern work, successful project execution hinges on clarity, organization, and effective collaboration. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just stepping into the role, having a robust tool to guide your efforts is paramount. Wrike stands out as a powerful work management platform designed to streamline projects, enhance team collaboration, and provide valuable insights into progress. If you're looking to harness its capabilities, a fundamental question often arises: how do I start a project using Wrike? As a project management expert, I can tell you that starting a project in Wrike isn't just about clicking a button. It's about setting the stage for success. It involves a thoughtful, step-by-step process that mirrors the best practices of project initiation and planning. Let's walk through it, keeping simplicity and educational value in mind. Step 1. Define your project clearly, the why and what. Before you even touch Wrike, the first and most critical step happens offline. Clearly define your project. What is its purpose? What are its goals? What are the key deliverables? Who are the main stakeholders? A well-defined project scope is the bedrock of any successful endeavor, and Wrike will simply be the tool to bring that definition to life. Tip for experts: think of this as developing your project charter or business case. The more thoroughly you define upfront, the smoother your Wrike setup will be. Step 2. Access Wrike and understand your workspace. Once your project is conceptualized, log into your Wrike account. Wrike is structured around workspaces, which are like your company's central hub. Within a workspace, you'll organize your work into spaces, folders, and projects. Spaces often represent departments, e.g., marketing, engineering, HR, or major business units. Folders can be used to group related projects or ongoing work within a space. Projects: this is where your specific project lives. Tip for experts: plan your Wrike hierarchy. A well-organized workspace reduces clutter and improves navigation for your team. Should this be a new space, a folder within an existing space, or a direct project under a department space? Step 3. Creating your new project in Wrike. There are a few ways to initiate a new project in Wrike, but the most straightforward is through the plus button, usually located prominently in the left navigation pane or top bar, or by navigating to the relevant space or folder and clicking New Project. Name your project. Give your project a clear, concise name that reflects its purpose. This is what your team and stakeholders will see. Choose a location. Select the appropriate space or folder where your project will reside. This is critical for organization and access permissions. Select a project type. Optional but recommended. Wrike offers different project types or templates. Blank project. Start from scratch, giving you full flexibility. Project from template. This is highly recommended if you have recurring project types, e.g., website redesign, content creation, client onboarding. Templates pre-populate tasks, workflows, and sometimes even assignees, saving immense time. Project from folder/space. Convert an existing folder or space into a project. Using a template. If you're using a template, Wrike will instantly populate your project with a predefined structure. If starting from scratch, you'll move to the next step. Tip for experts: always look for opportunities to templatize. If you run similar projects frequently, invest time in building robust project templates in Wrike. This embodies the process improvement aspect of project management. Step 4. Define your project structure. Tasks, subtasks, and milestones. Once your project is created, it's time to break down the work. This is the core of project planning. Add tasks. Start listing all the individual actions that need to be completed. Each task should be an actionable item. Break down into subtasks. For larger tasks, create subtasks to break them down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This helps with clarity and progress tracking. Set milestones. Identify key checkpoints or significant deliverables within your project. Milestones mark important achievements and often signify the completion of a major phase. In Wrike, you can mark tasks as milestones. Assign owners. Crucially, assign each task to a specific team member. This clarifies responsibility and accountability. Set due dates. Assign a due date to each task and milestone. This drives urgency and helps with scheduling. Add descriptions and attachments. Provide clear instructions, context, and attach any relevant files, documents, images, links to each task. This ensures team members have all necessary information. Tip for experts: leverage wrike's workload and Gantt chart views during this phase. They help you visualize dependencies, balance team capacity, and identify potential scheduling conflicts. Don't forget to define task dependencies. One task cannot start until another finishes. Step 5. Configure workflows and statuses. wrike's strength lies in its customizable workflows. Workflows define the sequence of steps a task goes through from start to finish. Understand default workflows. wrike comes with standard workflows, e.g., new, in progress, completed, deferred, canceled. Create custom workflows. If needed for specific project types or teams, you might need custom statuses, e.g., in review marketing, awaiting client approval, ready for deployment. Go to your workspace settings to create these. Apply workflows. Ensure your project or specific tasks are assigned the correct workflow. This allows you to track progress accurately. Tip for experts: think about your process. Does a task always go from in progress to completed? Or are there review stages, approval steps, or feedback loops? Design your workflow to mirror your real-world process.